Hello everyone, my name is Andy. The European markets are closing, so let's have a look at the FTSE futures. What did we get today? What can we expect tomorrow, Tuesday, October 17th? For the record, today is Monday, October 16th. Time is around 6:15 p.m. GMT. So, yeah, the FTSE kind of a difficult situation, as you can see, very corrective price action right here. First of all, let me check here the 4 hour. Yeah, I believe here it's still on my chart, but here the scenario in red where we will do an impulse here, so that our wave A is not finished here but should be finished here after a fifth wave. This really starts to be unlikely, so I would not really count anymore on this scenario. I will take it off the chart, and where we should focus on right now is okay, we are kind of going down right here, but in my weekend analysis I told you that here now in this particular case for the FTSE it might be that we did not reach this wave B area. So normally after a wave A, so we are doing a corrective structure up, an ABC up. After our wave A we should have a wave B down, and then this wave B should go into the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement area. But I told you in my weekend analysis, because of the other indices, it might be that we will have a shallow wave B right here. And so that could actually mean that the wave B is in right here. However, what could also happen is, as it is shown here in green, that we have our WXY structure right here. And so if the high is in, maybe let's go to the 15-minute for this. So yeah, it could be that we have our wave X right here. So A, B, C, three waves as a wave X. Then we could go as a wave Y into the area here. If we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, here this area can be our wave Y area, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. And this would nicely coincide with the wave B area. So this would be, let's say, the natural path to go. However, because I expect some upside in the other indices, of course, the FTSE will act with the other indices. So we could see, upside from here, that this is our wave B. But the natural path to go would be WXY down. This is what I expect. This is what my system is saying. But okay, it happens from time to time that we do not reach the areas that we should reach. So let's see what exactly we get in the FTSE. But yeah, for the moment, very hard structure to trade. I think, like what you see right here, very corrective price action. And so actually both ways are possible from here. We can go right here into this area, but yeah, we can as well start moving up from here. Hard to say. So maybe the next hours, the next days, we get some better data, so we can make a better forecast. For now, it's quite difficult with what we have right here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.